finally हम अपन video upload करता है YouTube पे after days of overthinking. If you're watching this video, welcome to my channel. My name is Shayal. I'm originally from Fiji Islands, but have been calling New Zealand my home for the last couple of years. हम एक वाइफ है, एक मॉम है और हम अभी अपन मास्टर्स इन नर्सिंग डिग्री कंप्लीट करता है at the University of Otago. And you must be wondering why Fiji Hindi? और हम तो कोई सेलेब है नहीं कि हम लाइव पीपल लोग मांगी देखे, isn't it? Let me answer those questions for you. I'm pretty sure जिन people लोगों ने मांगा तो ये videos बनाए और upload करे और उनके दिमाग में question बेर चलत हुई कि why should I? हम लाइफ को मांगा तो देखे, हम voice अच्छा sound करे और people are gonna criticize me. Firstly, number one, I feel people are gonna criticize you no matter what. And that shouldn't stop you from doing what you love. I started making content on social media when I had my baby. She was around 6 months and I started making videos of our day-to-day life. And through making videos, it really helped me to connect with people who share the same journey as me. And this developed into something that I actually love doing. And making videos is like a little escape for me. It helps me to slow down, be creative in my own way, and just enjoy. It's more like a therapy to me, to be honest. And next up. Why Fiji Hindi in my videos? Because Fiji Hindi is my language. And it feels the most natural way कि हम अपन आपके साथ express करें to everyone. And I want my videos reflect करो who I am. और Fiji Hindi is a big part of that. But not to worry, हमारे videos completely Fiji Hindi में नहीं रही, उसमें थोड़ा English भी रही. And if you're someone like me, जिन काफी दिन से सोचता रहा कि अपन channel शुरू करेगा, just go for it. This is your sign, I'm telling you now. And your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Hamma ila first video hai YouTube pe and it's not perfect, trust me. And don't wait for validation from other people. Just take a chance on yourself. Trust yourself for once and just take a chance and post that video. What's the worst thing can happen? Maybe to my videos get enough engagement or enough views nahi mila. So what? Main thing here is you created something. You put yourself out there. You gave it a chance. And for me, I'll rather say I'm glad I tried this. I'm glad I gave it a chance. Or live बाहर बैठ के wonder करो what if अगर वो video हम post करता? What would have happened? Let me know in the comment section अगर आप सोचता अपन first YouTube video post करे के लिए. And if you have stuck around for this long, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And hi, before you guys leave, please let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see next. Please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.